Hi everyone, welcome back to Take It's Okay YouTube channel. Today is I'm going to fixing this handset Y93 display connector is damaged and some tracks is missing. Mm, I will not talk too much. Let's work on this handset. Let's go to microscope view. Come on. Let's start cleaning this one. Let's already work is done, but we can work again this one. Apply the flags. I applied the flags neatly. Let's solder it this one. Wick it. Okay. Always have been wicked well. We will demolish all previous work and we can do newly. Okay. We can wick this everything neatly. This one also will blue or no, I will remove in this only. 1 2 3 go. Easily go. Yes, it won't go. One track is missing, but that is NC track. We no need to worry about that track. Okay, that one is NC, and on that one is also NC. Okay, we clean this also neatly. Okay, it is well and good. Now can clean in some cotton. Yes, it is looking better now. Okay, now let's demolish this previous thing. We can build new. Okay, this one is jumping well, previous work done by another technician. Okay, we can remove everything. This jumper also we can remove. Okay, done. Go. Okay, now it is neat and clean. Now we can do our work now here. Okay, let's start. After cleaning, it is looking like this. Okay, now we can start jumpering. First jumpering this one. Okay, that one is good and strength. Second jumpering, you can scratch that one first. Okay, second jumpering also done. Okay, we can bend that one in tweezer help in correct place. Okay, yes, we can cut that one now. That one is correct place. We can cut that one. Okay, let's this we can solder here once more. Okay, third. Okay, let's bend it in correct position. Now it is in correct position. Okay, let's cut it this one also. Now fourth one. Oh shit, it's happened. Okay, let's this go to third one is gone for fourth, and we can use third jumper now. Okay, this one is also now correct, and lastly one side is happening. Fifth one is also done. Let's cut it this one also. Cut. Okay, let's skin this one. Okay, now we can apply UV mask. First this was this side we applied UV mask, and upper side I think we need to add more UV mask. After that we can scratch and we can place the connector in correct position. Okay, I will apply more UV mask now. Okay, we need to apply UV mask slowly. Do not do this work faster. If you do faster means it will damage. We need to again and again apply UV light. Now it will be strength. Okay, now it is strength. After applying UV light, now we can scratch every connector one by one. See how neat it is looking now. It will never damage. Now we can scratch this last one also. All are scratched. Now we can clean this again. After scratching, that dust will be there of UV mask. We can clean that one also. Okay, another one time. Okay. Oh, this one also missed track. While cleaning this one, open. Maybe it is weak. Okay, can do that one also jumpering. Now we can do faster. This is extra work now. Okay, again we need to apply UV mask for this track, and we need to apply UV light. Okay, this scratch. After that we have applied soldering. Now we can place the connector neatly. Take the new connector. We need to place that in correct position. Position means alignment. Now it is correctly aligned. Let's check in zoom condition now. Okay, we can zoom this one. Let's zoom it now. Correct aligned or not. Okay, let's blow this one first before we soldering. It will be hold in place. It will not move there and here. Okay, now we neatly soldered it. Let's zoom out. Okay, now we solder one by one every connector in small tip. Okay, see how, and another side. Let's zoom. Now the zoom is clear. Now we can solder one by one everything. This will connect every connector strongly. Okay, this is every connector is strongly and perfect work. Okay, now we can clean this every soldering old flux. Okay, I think it is good and correctly. Let's zoom out. Now we can clean everything neatly by applying cotton and clean. Okay, now it is cleaned well. See how neat is one looking now. All tracks are connected well or not. Once we check it, come, let's see it is connected neatly or not. See how neatly the connection are connected to every connector very well. Okay, let's see another side. I will focus on it. See how we neatly connected. Now I already connected this. Okay, I connect the battery. Let's switch on. I connected the display connector before making video. After that I make the video. Okay, now I connected the, okay, see the display is connected. the display is showing. Let's see the touch is working or not. Yes, yes, touch is also working fine. This display brightness is low because I not have password to up charging. The display brightness is also correct. Okay, thank you everyone.